sa ating lahat. Welcome back po sa ating 365 Daily Devotion with Pastor Russell Ocampo. So, ang topic po natin for today, 3 truths about forgiveness. At syempre, patuloy po rin po tayo sa ating Bible character edition. So, ang concept po natin for today, Joseph and his brothers, forgiveness rooted in God's sovereignty. Joseph's brother and had done something very wrong. They sold him, lied about him, and led him to suffer many years. Many years later, Joseph stood before them as a ruler in Egypt. He had the power to punish them. Instead, he chose to forgive. Joseph did not say their sin was small or acceptable. He clearly said that they meant evil. But he also believed something bigger, that God was in control the whole time. God used their sinful action to save many lives. Joseph's forgiveness came from trusting God's plan, not from getting the pain. This story teaches us that God rules even over human evil, and His good purpose will always stand. Makita natin ito sa Genesis chapter 45, ang sabi dito, Then Joseph said to his brothers, Come close to me. When they had done so, he did. So he said, I am your brother Joseph, the one you sold into Egypt. And now, do not be distressed and not be angry with yourselves for selling me here, because it was a saved life that God sent me ahead of you. For 2 years now, there has been famine in the land, and for the next 5 years there will be no plowing and reaping. But God sent me ahead of you to preserve for you and remain on the earth to save your lives by great deliverance. So then, it was not you who sent me here, but God. He made me father to Parao, Lord is the entire household, and ruler of all Egypt. At ngayon po, share ko po yung mga natutunan ko sa naging topic natin for today. Sisimula po tayo sa ating teaching. First teaching, true forgiveness is not rooted in God's sovereignty. So, yung totoong pagpapatawad mo is hindi siya nanggagaling mula sa Diyos. Nanggagaling siya mula sa puso mo na ibinigyan ka ng Diyos ng magandang paliwanag or magandang dahilan kung bakit mo pinapatawad yung isang taong yun. At sa ating second teaching naman, true forgiveness sets other from guilty. So, syempre kapag nagpapatawad kayo, yung ibang tao or yung taong nakagawa sa ng kasalanan is nagkakaroon sila ng guilty na nararamdaman sa buhay nila. Sa ating third teaching naman, true forgiveness sets yourself free from bitterness. So, yung iba kasi hindi nagpapatawad, meron silang bitterness sa buhay nila na kung saan patuloy pa rin nilang kinikintim or dinadala yung bigating nararamdaman nila. So, dadako tayo ngayon sa ating application. First application, interpret your suffering from God's perspective. So, yung pagsasuffer na nararamdaman mo ngayon, yung suffer na pinagdaraanan mo ngayon, tignan mo siya as a good thing sa perspective ng Panginoon dahil hindi lahat ng tao nagkakaroon ng pagsubok or binibigyan ng pagsubok ng Diyos dahil alam ng Diyos na hindi kakayanin ng isang tao yun na hindi magampanan yung problema ibibigay sa kanya or yung task na ibibigay sa kanya. So, sa ating second application naman, forgive those who hurt you and release them from guilt. So, patawarin mo na sila sa mga kasalanan na nagagawa nila sa'yo. Syempre, sila nakukonsensya din sila sa nagagawa nila sa'yo. So, ikaw na lang magpapatawad sa kanila. Mapapalaya mo rin sila sa guilt na mayroon sila. Sa ating third application naman, release yourself from bitterness and negative emotion. So, alisin mo yung sarili mo sa bitterness at saka yung negative emotion na kung saan lungkot yung nararamdaman mo, bigati yung nararamdaman mo. So, dadako tayo ngayon sa ating discussion. Why do you have to cling to the sovereignty of God in order to release true forgiveness? Para sa akin kasi kung ikaw, yung perspective mo is na kay God, bago ka pa lang nila gawa ng kasalanan, napapatawad nila sila. Dahil si God, lahat ng tao is pinatawad niya at binigyan niya ng chance ang lahat ng tao. So, sa ating dive deeper, Joseph, Jesus, and forgiveness. So, maging si Joseph ka na nagpapatawad, si God na nagbibigay ng forgiveness. At syempre, lahat palaging magpatawad ka. So, ayun lang po for today's discussion. Thank you for watching.